every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to the 271st day of my challenge where oh boy, am I excited about my lunch. I have something so tasty for you and for me. Today I'm gonna try a recipe called shrimp Oreganata. Actually it's written like that, but Laura pronounced shrimp Oreganati. Not really sure, maybe I misheard. I don't think it really matters that much. I'm so excited for my today's lunch because, well, if you go to her video, original recipe, oh my god, it looks divine. So if you're curious to see how it goes trying out this recipe for the very first time, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 500 grams of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined, 3 slices of fresh ciabatta-like bread, ground in a food processor until coarse crumbs form, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, divided into 2, and 1 tablespoon, 3 cloves of garlic, finely minced, 6 grams of fresh parsley, finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and salt and pepper. Yummy food is on the way! Okay, let's start. I have here a large non-stick skillet to which I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and preheat it over medium-high heat. And once the oil is hot, I'm gonna add the shrimp, season it with some salt and pepper, and cook for 3 minutes. Alrighty, 3 minutes have passed, so now into this splashing but very nicely smelling thing, I'm gonna add the garlic, parsley and lemon zest and cook for 30 seconds. And I think I can start telling you about the next step because I think those 30 seconds will pass while talking. So now once this is mixed in, I'm gonna add the remaining extra virgin olive oil and the breadcrumbs and cook for 1 more minute. But I looked very closely to Laura's video and I'm not sure if I'm gonna add all of it because I saw she added 2.5 handfuls. So that's what I'm gonna work on as well. Goodness, this is a really quick recipe. Okay, so now the last thing, lemon juice goes in. That's it. This will serve 4? I don't think so. Okay. I want some bread. So curious. I love shrimp. That's such an interesting combination. I really wasn't sure how I will feel about it, even though separately I love shrimp and I love bread, but I don't know, it did sound a bit weird, this combination of shrimp with bread. I have such a clear idea what my family would say if I gave this. Bread with so much flavor. Okay. I have to say, conclusion is, this is really awesome. I had a feeling that I might not really like it just because of the interesting combination of expensive shrimp and bread. But bread does soak up so much flavor and it's, I don't know, it's not crunchy yet not, how to describe it? It's neither soft nor crunchy, it's like somewhere in between. I don't even know. I don't even, spongy? Would that be the word? Yeah, something, but it's super good. My God, this is really nice. I know it will cool down really quickly. I want to enjoy it with my husband. My lunch turned out into a dinner. I'm now curious how it will go with coconut rice, because that pot you saw on the stove is coconut rice. So yeah, this is really interesting in a good way. In Lithuania, whenever we say interesting, it's like, oh, interesting, right? Like I shouldn't try that. But no, this is actually great. I have never tried the, how Laura mentioned, original Oreganata, when I believe she was saying that the breadcrumbs would be on top of the shrimp and it would be baked in the oven. But this version is really nice, so 2 thumbs up for how Laura called it, Donna Laura. Her recipes are really good. Both of their recipes are really good. So if you want to try out this recipe yourself, you can find the written recipe. How many times did I say that already? Recipe in the description box down below. It's both in American and the metric system, so anyone can try it. And if you want to see how Laura makes it, especially the measuring the bread, by the way, I will update the written recipe with the amount of the bread. I will just weigh whatever is left and just update the amount what I actually used, because I feel like I used half of it. Yeah, I feel like I'm getting better at eyeballing things. So proud of myself. So anyways, the link to the original recipe is there. Well, actually the link is there. This is how they look like, both of them. You can compare how close did I do it. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this was fun and helpful, and I will see you soon in some other tasty experiment of mine. Bye!